Okay, I will demonstrate to you how to connect basic motor controlling with overload relay with indicator. Okay. I also put emergency stop. Okay, let's energize. First, turn on the safety breaker. Next, start the green light. Stop, red light. Okay, let's start also to check the emergency stop. Okay, function, start again, check the overload to stop. Okay, stop. Let's start again to check the overload relay. Okay, it lights the overload relay indicator. Okay, let's start again. No, it will not start because it indicates that it is not automatically reset. So first we will reset and we will start again. That's all. Thank you.